of my bed rotting. Yay!
On your middays, and I hope everyone is enjoying their Monday. Now, did you guys catch the big boxing match over the weekend? Ryan Garcia and Devin Haney.
Hey. Okay. We're never anywhere near. Okay, so I'm gonna take my pants and I hope you can't see. You can't see. Oh. Okay. Okay. It is. I'm gonna watch on Monday. That's how it is. I'm feeling better. Went to therapy. Cried. Love that for me. And yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. So yeah, I ordered some stuff from TikTok shop that I might as well go ahead and show you guys. A TikTok shop haul, I guess. I got this little like coin pouch. That a little side pouch with a little bag. And then I got it in 10 too. Same like brand. This is dirty. Or it's supposed to look like that. I don't know, it looks like that. This is a little card thing and a little coin pouch. This looks really good on it. What is this? That's that. Let me put this out. And then I got some earrings by it just says Fashion Jewelry. Like that. Cute. And I got these. I guess these would be the cooler tone ones. Like that. I got this stuff. I think it came yesterday. So I also got the little the face ice thing. Oh god, these don't go everywhere. Yes, like that. Ice. I use it this morning, so it's kind of broken. But I got it in purple. I gotta put that up. And then I got the bags, so viral bags. They were like $5 a piece. I don't know, my man got it for me, so so I got this cute one with a little heart. It's got 2 open things. I'm a satchel crossbody girl, so I already put the thing on. 2 in the back. And then it's big in the middle. It has a zipper down here. That's the brand, that's the heart one. Let's see. This is the brown one. I don't know if these are like the same brands or not. I think they're the same brands. Well, 3 of them are the same brands. I got the brown one. Same style. The inside. But I got the chain on it already. Yeah, this one's different. Okay. So yeah, it says fashion and bags on this one, and the last one I got this khaki color, but it says fashion bags. So whichever that is. And then it's big on the inside. It's has a zipper, 2 pockets in the front, 2 pockets in the back. They are deep pockets. Well, let's go find it. Can they fit? I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it's like that. So that one. And then this one is like the other one. The other kind of viral bag. It's like a different material. It's like that canvas material. But it's crossbody. It doesn't have any brand name or anything, but this is the one with the middle part, where it's like 2 on the side, and then it's got the middle bags. So this, I would take this with me and Leona out, so I could put like her snacks and stuff. There's not a lot of storage in there, you can tell. And then it does have like, these are like bags, not bags, they're like compartments That one. Oh, I hit myself. That one's one. That one's one. And they have 3 other ones in the back. Oh, my camera's dying. So that's all that I got from TikTok Shop. 4 bags. And more pouches. And then my ice cube thing. I will update my wardrobe. I have like a streetwear earth girly style. I need to buy some more clothes. But these are the start of some accessories. So yeah. Ding. Alright, I'm gonna do my tarot and oracle for this week. It's crazy because last week I think I got like judgment and like stuff, and seeing how my cards sold. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the email for my baby. Whoa, that's crazy. I'm gonna take it as a sign. Oh shit. Okay. So we got these 2 that came out. I don't know which one came first. We got the sun. Is that the sun? Yeah, the sun. Page of Swords. And we gotta get one more. I'll just fold it out. Okay. And then I got the Queen of Wands for those. I don't know if I get my dog from school. I had to leave in a few minutes. Yeah, I have the Sun, Page of Swords, and Queen of Wands. Okay. Let me look in my book. I might not be able to get on the Sun. It's upright. A card filled to the brim with shimmering positive energy. The upright sun card invokes radiance and the essence of success. This card indicates that the temporary evils you have experienced will soon pass. Me, Dad. Okay. Who is we eating or what? Okay. Page of Swords. Page of Swords. Is it even in here? Did I pass it? Okay, 7 swords. Wait a minute. 5, 3 swords, 2 ace. Page of Swords. Girl, where you at? You're in the back. 9 swords, 10 swords. Page of Swords. I got it. It's upright. Page of Swords symbolize the relaying of novel ideas or concepts. It requires one to be perceptive and knowledgeable about current affairs. This card also represents those who are quick-witted and sociable. It encourages you to lead with enthusiasm. Oh my goodness. But these 2 cards fail. Were they upright or down? I don't know, I'm gonna keep it on the positive side. And then the Queen of Wands. Queen, oh, shit. Queen, oh. Ace of Wands, that's stupid. And that's just gotta be in the back, I guess. 9, 10, page, Knight, Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands represents optimism, confidence, and clarity in the presence of change. This card symbolizes the female spirit and her divine attributes. Confidence, independence, and courage are associated with this particular card. Thank you. I need a good hand. So yeah, these are my 3 cards. I'm gonna flip you up here. These are those. These are pretty. Okay, my sister's calling. She have to wait. And then my Oracle home recorder. I'll just do this real quick. These are easy. And just so quick times. 1. Manifestation. 2. Goddess. 3. Full moon. Ooh. That's what they look like. They look like this. Cute. This is her. This is the second one I pulled. Apostrophe, because I gotta go. And then, wait, can you look at something? Yeah, that one. I'll read real quick. The manifestation. This one. With the help of the universe, I could create my dream life. Need it. Goddess. I awaken the flow of goddess energy within me. Need it. Full moon. I welcome clarity and guidance from the full moon. Need that. Is there a full moon? It is. Girl, I'm putting my phone. What's today? Today is the 22nd. I have to look up if it's a full moon and let you know, I guess. But yep, those are those. So that's my oracle. That's my tarot. And hopefully those will guide me during this week. It seems like I'm gonna have a positive week, which I need that for sure. So let's see. Okay, today is, damn, what's today? Today is Tuesday. I'm finally posting on Instagram again. So check that out. I finally got like a feed layout going. It's like 3 reels, 3 photos, 3 collages looking things, and then it's like 3 quotes. So I'm gonna keep doing that. It looks good though, so check it out. I need to get a 10K by today. But yeah, if you have any tips, tricks to grow on Instagram and like brand deals and sponsorships, leave them in the comments below, because I don't want to work anymore. I just want to be a YouTube, Instagram girly. So thanks, love you, bye. So, I had an eventful day today. I look rough. Had to slightly argue with my insurance to pay for, well, this is a car crash update. You know, car sold, so I did it in my last vlog. I had to kind of argue with the insurance because the tow bill in total was $808. I had the money, well, we had the money, but I wasn't gonna pay that, so I had to sit on the phone with the insurance company for like an hour to get them to pay for it. So then after that, they're gonna scrap it, I guess, and then give me what the car is worth. Give me the money, what the car is worth. I don't know, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't word it right. So that, and then I turned the DMV tag in. The DMV tag, what the fuck? I turned the car tag in to the DMV. So that's that. What else happened? That's about it. I got all the stuff out of the car. Car's total. I don't know what else to say about that. And then, yeah, so then I have a new job. I start working at Dollar General tomorrow. I want to get the CVS work from home job, but they never called me back for that job, so. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to prepare for tomorrow to work again. Crazy. My first time working in like a year. Yeah, Dollar General, I signed up for part-time days. I really want to work like 3 days a week, 4 hours, 5 hours, but we'll see how it goes tomorrow. I mean, it is what it is. Like, if it doesn't suit my needs, I'll definitely quit. It's not a problem. I just really wanted that CVS work from home job so I could work from home, and then it's more money too. But I'll keep looking for other jobs like around here. Work from home jobs like customer representative, and then like hospital jobs. Well, like not hospital jobs, but the like patient specialists. You know, like when you're checking in and they check you in. On one of those jobs that looks really clutch. Yeah, so now I'm about to clean up the house. Well, tidy. I'm not gonna clean up the house. Tidy up the house and then get ready for work tomorrow. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Calandra. I don't like to work. I don't like authority. That's why I have my own business, but I had to put it on pause till I get situated and like mental health situated, and then now definitely I gotta get a new car. So yeah, that's the update. It's 8 o'clock. I gotta get Leona ready for bed, and then I think that's it. Yes. I'm just pissed, man. I worked so hard for this item, but people know I have it now. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all my celery update. Here she is. Ain't she cute? Oh, she's looking on. I mean, I washed it. What is it? I don't know what that is, but what she looks like. Cutie. Also, transplant update with my celery. I have lilies, but the flowers died, but it's still green, so I guess it means alive. And then I have this plant. It's like a African something. I don't know. It's one of these. Pause to read that. But yeah, the little flower died, but it's still green, so I'm gonna keep it. So that's my plant updates. Oh yeah, I have a snake plant and another plant in my office. I'll show you guys. Oh yeah, these are my other two plants. This is a snake plant. She's so cute. She's tall as shit. And then I don't know what this one is, but I got it because it was purple. But it's like low-key dying, low-key thriving. You see that one? Oh, I'm eating the popsicle. The strawberry popsicle. See, she's cute. She's here. But yeah, those are my other two plants. I hope to get some more. I had an aloe vera plant, and then that's my daughter's like cactus. But that motherfucker dead. I don't know why it's still back here. And then that's where my aloe vera plant was, and it died because I overwatered it. So hopefully I get another one. But yeah, that's my plant collection. Yay, cute. Ice cream. Oh. I just got off. It's Saturday, 3:33. Ooh, angel number. But is it there really? But yeah, I just got off of work. I work from 7 a.m. to 3. I look a hot mess. And then like bleach spilled on my shirt. But yeah, it was easy. It was fun. It was cool. I'm just mad that everybody else was like not mad, but like the manager brought lunch for everybody. Well, was on the way to get lunch for everybody because everybody else was working till 5. So yeah, so I'm off work now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just sitting in the car. Like, I'm outside my house, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in and say hey to my baby girl. And then what else am I gonna do? I'll go and get something to eat. I'm hungry.